Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. So let's move to the new chapter, that is Python Pandas 1. As regarding Panda, we have already discussed in class 11 a bit. Now let's move to the elaborate session. So Pandas or Python Pandas is Python's library for data analysis. Pandas has derived its name from panel data. So what is a panel data system? So what is the full form of Pandas? It is panel data system, which is an econometric term for multidimensional structured data sets. Okay, and pandas are used for data analysis. The most popular useful of pandas is data analysis. Pandas makes available various tools for data analysis and make it a simple and easy process as compared to other available tool. So just look, author of pandas is Wes McKinney. So student, in this chapter will deal with Python Pandas library, its data structure. Data structure, here we will understand about two data structure, that is series and data frame, that we will discuss later. Now why Panda is required, it is also given here in a very systematic way, so you can pick the points from here if question may arise that why Python Pandas is required. Okay, it can read or write in many different data formats, right, like integer, float, double. It can easily select subsets of data from bulky data sets. It allows us to apply operation to independent group within the data. So these all are the requirement of pandas. It supports visualization by integrating matplotlib and seaborn etc. libraries. Matplotlib is there in your syllabus, so this we will discuss later. So we can say that pandas is best at handling huge tabular data sets comprising different data formats. Now move to pandas data structure. Just now before I told you that now we are going to deal with two pandas data structure here. So what is data structure? Data structures is a specialized way of storing data so as to apply a specific type of functionality on them. Means data structure means it is a special way of organizing our data by applying some functions on them. Alright, so this is all about data structure. It can be accessed and work within appropriate way. Now see, we can store similar type of data items together and process them in identical way. There are various data structure in other languages like arrays, stack, etc. Okay, but here for Panda we will learn about Panda data structure, that is series and data frame. Now two basic data structures, you can see that there are many data structures of pandas, but two basic data structures, series and data frames, are universally popular for their dependability. So two data structures, series and data frame. Now students, try to understand a bit of difference between these two. Today we will just discuss about these two, cover this only. Later on we will move to how to create this. Alright, so series is one-dimensional data structure of Python pandas, and data frame is a two-dimensional data structure of Python Panda. This is the most important difference. Now in the figure you can see that in A, this index is common in both the cases, that it will take automatically. So index and then data, this is series, one dimensional you can say. But in case of data frame, you will see there are multi-dimensional. You can see A, B, C columns are there and index is common. So Pandas also supports another data structure called panel, but it is not in your syllabus. So here it is, you can see two figures which shows the difference about series and data frame. Now let's move for a bit of difference between these two. Now see, series dimension is one dimensional, data frame is two dimensional. Type of data in series is homogeneous, means all the elements must be of same data type in a series object. It is heterogeneous. Data frame object can have element of different data types. Okay. Now mutability, value mutable. Mutable means, as I discussed in string and other dictionaries also, like mutable means which can be changed, and immutable means that cannot be changed. So their element value can change. Size immutable means size of a series object once created cannot change. Clear? Now value mutable, their elements value can change. Here also same. Size of a data frame object once created can change in place. That is, we can add drop element in an existing data frame object. But if you want to add drop an element internally, a new series object will be created. That means in series there is no possibility of changing the series size, whereas in data frame this can be done. So student, for today just a brief session of series and data frame, just go through in your book. Next day we'll see how to create this series and data frames. So before that, just the theory part of series and data frame just go through once. Okay, this much. Thank you.